In this video, I'll show you how to archive orders on Amazon using the website. So this is perfect if you want to hide certain purchases like gifts or personal items from your main order history. So let's begin by going to the official website of Amazon.com and then make sure you log in with your credentials in here. And then after that, click this returning in orders. And then as you can see, I don't have orders yet. So assumingly we have, just to give you all an example. So let's imagine that we have an order in here, that I have an order in here that I want to archive. So on the right side of that order, but first, make sure you find the order you want to archive from your list. So on the right side of that order, you'll see an option there that says archive orders. So you'll need to click on that in order to archive it. So Amazon will ask you to confirm it and then just click archive order again and you're done. So the order will now be hidden from your main order history. If you ever want to view it again, just go to your account and then go to the orders and you'll find it there. So, important note, you can archive up to 500 orders per account, and this feature is only available on the desktop version of the websites, not through the Amazon app. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.